This is how you do this is how you get the Neko game, the cat game on Android phones for Android 11. For other phones, it's quite straightforward. For Galaxy phones, it's it's a little bit weird. So first off, what you're gonna do is enable these buttons, devices and media. These two buttons. I had them disabled. I don't like these things, so I disabled them. You have to enable them. Once you know they're enabled, you go to settings. You go all the way down, about phone, software information. Keep tapping on Android 11. Then you go 360 degrees, and then you go back. Go 360 degrees, you go back. Now when you go for the third time, you make sure you go 360 degrees and you keep holding your finger. See this 11? Now, I'm going to do it wrong. I'm going to go this way. I'm going to let go. Like this. Oh, idiots. See? You get a ban. So you messed up. Once you get a ban, even if you have the cats enabled, it'll take out the menu, but it won't kill your cats. So 1, 2, oh. 1, 2, and 3. Now let go. See? Kitty cat. Next step, you go down here. Devices. No apps selected. Manage apps. Cat controls. Enable this, enable this, enable this. I'll put this in the middle. There you go. And then you see all the kitty cats.